Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to delete a playlist on your YouTube channel. So to get started, I'll basically open up YouTube and I'll just show you that I went in earlier and I added just a test playlist right here, and this is the one that I'm going to be deleting today. Okay, so we're back at the main page, and the first thing you want to do is go up to your little icon or logo that you have in the top right corner. Click on that, and then click on YouTube Studios. When you get to YouTube Studios, click on Playlist, and you'll see a list of all the playlists that you have on your particular channel. So today, like I said, we're going to be deleting the test playlist. So you simply go over to the Edit button, and then you click on these three dots. When you click on these three dots, you'll see that the option to delete the playlist comes up. So you click Delete Playlist. It will ask you if you're sure you want to delete that playlist. This is permanent, so it's just giving you a warning before you go ahead, just in case there's anything that you want to move or change before doing that. Then you just click Delete, and the playlist will be gone. So if we go back to your YouTube Studio and click on the playlist option, you'll no longer see it there. Now you know how to delete a playlist on your YouTube channel.